We are over in Ingram on the Larry Prio Ranch, and popped one here this morning. Pretty good teeth on him. Let's see if we can drag him out here just a little bit. Oh. Got him right, almost between the eyes. I was about a ½ inch off. Right here's where it got him. Got some teeth on him. Big mouth. Pull him out here in a minute, take a better look at him. Rock behind his ear. Well, he's ended up having some pretty good teeth on him. Sure is ugly. Shot him almost dead between the eyes. First morning out at Larry Prio's place, we didn't know what we was going to do out here in the beginning. We had 2 feeders sitting back up there not very far away, and watched some deer for a while, and they ran off, and in he came. I didn't even give him a chance to get to the feeder. I was worried if he got to the feeder he might see me, and so I dropped him right in here in this area. As soon as he come out of the trees, I just barely saw him a couple minutes before. But not bad for the first day out, just getting started. Now the work comes in, we'll see if we can't do something with him now and get him on the 4-wheeler.